warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello guys, let us introduce ourselves. I am Marsha Rizkia Putri Herawan.
I am Cakrawangsa Praba Al-Kausar.
I am Naila Saksia Akmalia.
And I'm Saputra Dewa.
And we are from 12 Science 1. This time we will show you how to create a Google account. As you already know, email is just a letter from you to another, but in a digital way. There are many platforms that have mailing services such as Google Mail, Yahoo Mail, Proton Mail, Microsoft Outlook, and many more. However, what we will show you is only one of the previously mentioned, namely Google Mail, or what is known as Gmail. Why Gmail? Because it is free, easy to use, and simple. In addition, many people also use Gmail for their purposes. Alright, firstly, now you can type create a Google account on your browser and click create your Google account.
Then you will go to this page. You have to fill in the data as you see it: name, username, and password. Remember, your name is yours. It means Google doesn't even know your real name. So, you can fill that name with something if you don't like your name to be known by Google. Your username is your email name. So, if your friends want to email you, they need your email username. If you want to make a username, make sure your username is unique and had not used by other people. And now we will try it. If it happened like this, you should remake your username or follow username recommendation from Google. Next, we will make a password. Password, as always, should be hard to guess but easy to remember. Google has rules for password, so if your password is too weak, it will complain and not let you continue until the password is strong. The password, as you can see, requires at least 8 characters with at least 1 letter, 1 number, and 1 symbol. Here, I will show you if I fill the wrong confirmation password like this. Google will give us an alert to change it. After you have filled in all the required data, you can press the next button.
Well, as you can see, there's a place where you can fill out your phone number. A phone number is optional, but may be required from time to time if you forget your password. For your security, Google will send a 6-digit code from your text message. Next, after receive a Google verification code from text message, we can fill that code here. After that, we can add our other information such as a recovery email, date of birth, and gender. The recovery email is also the same as the recovery phone number. And then date of birth. They need your date of birth to be the minimum age to have an email, because children are vulnerable to cybercrime. But as usual, they don't even know who you are, so you can fill in your birthday however you like. And the last is gender. You can fill it with the gender you like. Next, there's some explanation. If you like, you can add your phone number to your account for use across Google services.
Well, this is the part you usually skip, just lazy to read it. These are the terms you have to agree to if you use their service. If it was me, I could change. For my privacy, I would. If you have read it and checklist what suits your privacy, then you can press the I agree button.
After all this steps you did before, you will be directed to this page, which means you have just successfully created a new email account on Google. Thanks for watching. That's all from us. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.